Made it to the waterfall at Hardin Canyon Falls. Took me 4 hours to get here. And it's got about 4 miles. Just took a long time because I had to do a lot of bushwhacking, removing trees, freaking dusting off freaking ants that are biting the crap out of me. But yeah, it took 4 hours. The trail's clean. It should take me a lot less time going back. Fun hike if you like rock scrambling, crossing streams, going over logs, going through a lot of brush, looking for the trail again. There's hummingbirds. Saw some turtles, some salamanders. Saw one fish. Yeah. Good hike if you love adventure.